Hey there, fruit fans! Are you ready to unlock the secrets of selecting the perfect mango? Well, buckle up because we're about to dive into some seriously juicy science that'll revolutionize your fruit picking game forever. Let's start with color. A ripe mango isn't just yellow. Oh no, it should flaunt a stunning yellow-orange hue with tantalizing hints of red. But why, you ask? That's the magic of carotenoids, my friends. These pigments develop as the mango ripens, giving you a visual feast before the actual feast begins. Now, let's get hands-on. Give that mango a gentle squeeze. Does it yield slightly without feeling like mush? Congratulations, you've struck gold. This texture tells you the pectin in the cell walls is breaking down, a sure sign of delicious ripeness. But wait, there's more. Bring that mango close and take a good whiff of the stem end. Are you catching a sweet, fruity aroma that makes your mouth water? Jackpot. Those are esters and terpenes doing a happy dance, signaling that your mango is at peak ripeness and ready to be devoured. Here's a pro tip that'll blow your mind. Pick up that mango and feel its weight. Does it feel surprisingly heavy for its size? That's a good thing. A heavier mango means more juice and dissolved solids. It's literally science you can taste. Now let's talk about those tiny black spots. Contrary to what you might think, they're not flaws. They're flavor factories. These natural oil glands pop up when your mango is ripe and ready to rock your taste buds. But hold on to your hats, because we're about to drop a bombshell. Did you know that mangoes are botanical cousins to, wait for it, pistachios and cashews? I know, right? They're all part of the Anacardiaceae family. Mind blown. Wow, who knew picking the perfect mango could be such a thrilling adventure in botany and biochemistry? But here's the thing, folks. This is just the tip of the knowledge iceberg. Are you hungry for more mind-blowing facts that'll make you the smartest cookie in any room? Do you crave knowledge that'll make your brain do backflips? Then hit that subscribe button and join the Bomba Fact family. We're serving up the most intriguing, scientifically proven nuggets of wisdom that'll blow your mind. Don't miss our next video. It might just change the way you see the world. Subscribe now, and let's embark on this incredible journey of discovery together. Bomba Fact, where curiosity meets mind-blowing revelations.